Hey art friends, Rob here from Art for Kids Hub, and today I wanted to talk to all the parents, teachers, and adults out there about something really special. We've created an Art Hub membership that's got a ton of awesome features designed just for you and your kids. You can join our community for $5.99 per month, and the membership starts with a 7-day free trial, so it's completely risk-free. And you can cancel at any time if it's not a right fit for your creative journey. Our membership offers an ad-free experience to keep the focus on creativity and fun. We include our sponsored lessons, like when we draw a character from a new movie, because we believe that parents and teachers still find great value in this content. It also really adds a lot of excitement. Now teachers, our platform is also adaptable for your classroom. You can project our lessons in front of the whole class to work together, or allow students access to individual lessons on their own device so that they can work independent. Plus, our membership can work in classrooms where YouTube may be blocked. This ensures that all students can have access to our creative content without any hassle. Members also get exclusive access to our printable guides and special lessons that aren't available anywhere else. Another really cool thing about our membership is that we have apps. So you can download our app and get access to our lessons through a mobile device and also your TVs. On the mobile apps, you can download content for offline viewing. So our lessons are even accessible when you don't have a wireless connection. This is perfect for keeping kids engaged on the go. So if you're looking for a way to support and inspire the young artists in your life, be sure to check out our membership. It's a great tool for making art a part of every day. So let's make some art together. Click the link below to sign up and start your creative journey today.